In this last video, we would like to summarize some of the main picks from the previous videos. In the rapidly evolving digital landscape, data spaces have emerged as a cornerstone for enabling secure, sovereign and interoperable data sharing across organizations. Particularly in Europe, where initiatives like Gaia-X and the International Data Spaces IDS framework are gaining traction, the potential of data spaces to transform industries such as manufacturing, healthcare and energy is immense. In manufacturing, data spaces may improve engineering, planning, operation, and after-sales services. The manufacturing ecosystem thrives on constant data exchange between participants in the value chain, including suppliers, design and engineering firms, logistic providers, and end customers. Manufacturers require seamless data exchange to ensure visibility across the entire value chain, from raw material procurement to final product distribution. The ability to access accurate, up-to-date data on production performance, inventory levels, and customer feedback is critical for day-to-day operations as well as for long-term strategic planning. However, the journey to realizing this potential is fraught with challenges. One major need in this sector is the integration of data from multiple sources, including legacy systems, sensors on production lines, and external data from suppliers and logistic partners. However, universally accepted standards for data interoperability are lacking. While frameworks like IDS provide guidelines, varying implementation across industries and countries make seamless integration difficult. Compliance with industry standards such as ISO and safety regulations also requires detailed data tracking and reporting. Ensuring that data remains under the control of its owner is central to the data space paradigm. Many organizations hesitate to share sensitive data due to fears of misuse or breaches, especially when sharing proprietary design, performance metrics, and customer data with external partners. The cost of adopting data spaces, including infrastructure upgrades, employee training, and technology integration, can deter smaller organizations. While large companies may lead to the charge, SMEs risk being left behind, creating a digital divide within industries. As the volumes of data generated grow of scale, ensuring the scalability of data spaces becomes an issue. Data sharing agreements need clear rules for usage, compliance, and dispute resolution. Furthermore, implementing mechanisms for auditing and ensuring adherence to these rules without creating overhead is a critical concern. Compliance with stringent European regulations, such as the GDPR, adds another layer of complexity. Organizations must balance the benefits of data sharing with the need to protect personal and sensitive information. Looking to the future, data spaces are likely to play an increasingly central role in companies' sustainability strategies. The future of data spaces lies in developing sector-specific ecosystems tailored to unique industry needs. For instance, the Catena-X initiative focuses on creating a collaborative data space for the automotive industry. The integration of AI, blockchain, and IoT will be crucial in enhancing the functionality of data spaces. However, this requires advanced technological infrastructure. Future data spaces will likely move towards decentralized models, leveraging technologies like edge computing and distributed ledgers. This approach minimizes the reliance on centralized infrastructures, reducing bottlenecks and improving resilience. Advanced mechanisms for data control will emerge, such as self-sovereign identity solutions and automated policy enforcement. These tools will allow organizations to set granular rules for data access and usage, fostering greater trust in data spaces. Ensuring that small and medium-sized enterprises can participate in data spaces is critical. Simplified onboarding processes, cost-effective solutions, and targeted funding programs will help bridge the digital divide. Among the sectors with the highest potential, we could mention manufacturing ecosystems could leverage data spaces across the whole value chain and support circular economy initiatives. Data spaces can connect energy producers, grid operators, and consumers. Data spaces can enable secure sharing of data in healthcare ecosystems. Farmers, suppliers, and distributors can share data to optimize crop yields, manage supply chains, and reduce environmental impact. Data spaces are not simply technological innovations, but possible pillars of systemic change. Through the secure and transparent sharing of data, these tools offer new opportunities to optimize the use of resources, reduce waste, and promote more responsible production models. By addressing challenges like standardization, trust, and scalability, and embracing future trends such as sector-specific ecosystems and emerging technologies, Europe can position itself as a global leader in the data economy. With continued investment, collaboration, and regulatory alignment, data spaces will drive innovation, competitiveness, and sustainability.